Hey Money Loves, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, today I'm back again with another wig. Today's wig is from Evawigs.com. I have worked with this company before, so if you guys want to go ahead and check that video out, I will have that linked above. I think I have a couple videos with their wigs, but as y'all can see and from the picture of this video, this hair was originally natural black and I did go in and try to dye it. It didn't quite turn out the blonde that I wanted to, but I probably will end up processing it again later on in the future. But this is the results of that. This wig is the natural black silky straight wig. The SKU number is CES420. The color was in natural black. This is 100% Indian Remy hair in 26 inches. Y'all can see this hair is long, yeah. And the hair density is 150. This hair is thin enough, yet thick enough to put in a sleek ponytail. I will show you guys that in a minute. The lace color is in medium brown. The cap construction is cap 3A. So that means this wig comes with 3 combs. It has one on the side, one in the middle, and one on the other side. What I like about the combs is that it does come right here by the ear. So if you guys didn't want to glue the wig down, you didn't have to. But all I did was just tack down the 2 ear tabs in right in the middle, and I just did a little baby hair. That's it. And it does have adjustable straps in the back. This wig was a little bit big for my head, so if you guys are looking for big head friendly wigs, definitely go to Evawigs.com. I actually had to cross over the adjustable straps in the back to make it fit my hair, so yes. And the hairline did come pre-plucked. I did pluck it a lot more, even though a lot of companies say their wigs are pre-plucked. Not really. This hairline came super thick, y'all, and it's still not to where I want it, but this looks okay for it to be, you know, blonde hair, so we're not gonna worry about that. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this blonde hair, just keep on watching. The first thing I start off with is the Clairol BW2 bleaching powder as well as 40 volume developer. And all I do is just mix it in a bowl that I don't use, of course, with a dye brush. And then I get it to this liquidy consistency. Then I go ahead and start to divide the hair into sections. I parted the hair into 4 sections. Then I started with 1 section at a time, and then I ended up splitting the hair into smaller pieces. This allows me to get the bleach all over the hair, so every single strand is saturated. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me bleach this hair, and then I'll be right back. Another thing before I go, I did want to let y'all know that I didn't take the bleach all the way up on the first round of bleaching. I left the roots black on the first round because I did want the roots to be a little bit darker than the hair strands itself. And in order for every strand to get coated, I did take a small tooth comb and comb through that section just to make sure all of the bleach got into that part of the hair. So as y'all can see, the bleach is already starting to process on the first side that I started on. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the whole head and let that sit for 1 hour. So this is pretty much how the hair turned out after an hour of bleaching. It didn't get as light as I wanted to the first time. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this whole process again a couple of days later. And I'm going to show you guys what light shade it came out to after the second time of bleaching for an hour. I do want to let you guys know that it is important to deep condition the hair after each bleach, just to make sure the hair quality stays intact. So this is the shade that the second bleach came out to be. Not quite as bright as I wanted it to, but because I don't want to over process the hair so close together, I just went ahead and started toning. So let's get to that. The toners that I'm using today are from Sally's by the brand Color Charm, Wella Color Charm. I had 3 different shades, Satin Blonde, a very light blonde, and Frost Ash, but because I was going for a very bright light blonde, I decided to go with very light blonde and Frost Ash. I did end up using 2 boxes of each shade as well, and this is what the hair looks like with the toner on it, and I let that sit for about an hour and a half. To wash the hair, I did end up using the Shimmering Lights Purple shampoo and conditioner. Right now I'm just showing you what the hair looks like and giving you an idea of what the Shimmering Lights bottle looks like. This is what the hair looks like after being washed. I just wanted y'all to see the different dimensions in this hair. It looks really pretty after being washed, and that color it just looks amazing, y'all. I just need it to be a little bit lighter, but this turned out really well to be a natural black hair color at first. So this is how the hair turned out. It does look really good. Excuse my puppy, y'all. It does look really good still. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, my loves.